Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about disposal of sewage, Unit 4 under wastewater engineering. In this disposal of sewage unit contains standard for disposal methods, dilution, mass balance principle, self-purification of river, oxygen sac curve, deoxygenation and re-aeration. And also stator, Phelps model, land disposal, sewage forming sodium hazard, and finally we'll discuss about soil depression system. So first we are discuss about standard for disposal. So there are 33 characteristics out there. In that 33 we have 9 essential characteristics, remaining desirable characteristics. So each characteristics having requirement and permissible limit. So example, color is, the requirement is 5, but the permeable limit is 25. So likewise we have a 33 characteristics: color, order, taste, and iron, copper. For everything we have a standard disposal requirement as well as permissible limit. So next we need to discuss water disposal method. So water disposal method contain composition, quality and characteristics of sewage. So after collecting the all sewage, we need to do a primary treatment. After primary treatment there will be a secondary treatment and disposal. Disposal having two types, by dilution and by land treatment. So the next we need to see disposal by dilution process and essential condition for dilution. So disposal into water bodies, purification of wastewater by self-purification of natural water. Essential conditions are for sewage as well as water bodies. So for sewage, fresh sewage, number of floating and suspended solids, number of toxic substance are there. And for water bodies, high DO content, not being used for water supply and navigation, volume of water, volume of sewage, finally throat mixing capacity. The next is self-purification of river and stream. So deposit discharge of sewage, balancing its river, DO content after 5 days. So organic matter plus oxygen and also nitrogen sulfate carbon dioxide plus stable byproduct. So it will be a bacterial or other byproducts. So due to decomposition, reduction in DO content and deficient DO is replenished by aeration. So there are almost seven factors affecting of self-purification. Number one is dilution. So dilution ratio of volume of water bodies of sewage, and higher than dilution ratio, not appreciable reduction in DO. So there will be a formula for this: C equal to CS into QS plus CR into QR divided by QS plus QR. So what is C? So C is resulting concentration of mixture and CS is suspended solids in sewage and CR is suspended solids in river. So QR means QS is discharge of sewage, QR means discharge of river. So now second factor is current. So current depresses the water and high velocity of current, reduction in time of recovery, but affected too long length of steam. And the third is sunlight. Sunlight enhances adequate plants to produce oxygen. And fourth one is sedimentation. So removal of suspended solids by settling and anaerobic decomposition due to settled solids. So next factor is temperature. High temperature increase soluble of oxygen in water, and high temperature causes less self-purification time. And also oxidation capacity, steam of absorb more oxygen. And as final factor is reduction. hydrolysis of organic matter, it's also a one factor of it of purification of river or stream. So I hope we understood something in this presentation. Thank you.